Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The second question is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article given in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So guys, the question looks to be little lengthy and the question also looks to be little confusing, but we need to try to first of all understand the question and then we can move in a positive direction and find the answer. So let us note down the things what is being given in the question. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. So it is given that the cottage industry produces a certain number of articles in a day. So we can say here, let the number of articles produced in that particular day is equal to x. So let me write, let the number of articles, we are assuming that it is x, let the number of articles produced in that particular day is equal to x, because we don't know how many articles were produced in that day. So we are assuming let the number of articles produced in that particular day is x. Now let us see what the other part. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. So here the question is being given, cost of production of the article is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. That means if the number of articles, let's say if the number of articles produced on that day is 2, that means in particular day it is 3 more than twice. So twice means 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, that means 7. Instead of 2, that day 7 articles are produced. So this is an example, just I gave an example here. Now let's see what we can do. And one more thing they have given that here, if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Okay. So they have also given total cost of production. Total cost of production on that particular day is equal to rupees 90. So they have given the total cost of production on that particular day is rupees 90. Now as per the second part of this is the third part of the question. This is the first part of the question. This is the first part. This is the third part of the question, and we are going to write also the second part of the question. The second part of the question is most important. The second part of the question is like, it was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. So we can write cost of production of each article, because it is given as the cost. So we can write cost of production on that particular day is equal to, if the normal cost of production of the day is x, that particular day is 3 more than, that particular day is 3 more than twice the number of articles. So if the number of articles is x, so x into twice, that means x into 2 plus 3 more than. So this is what we are getting. The cost of production is equal to number of articles into 2, because twice the number of articles. Our number of articles is x, so here it is twice the number of articles plus 3 more. So the resulting equation that we are getting here is 2x plus 3. Okay, cost of production we got 2x plus 3. Now 2x plus 3 is the cost of production, and here cost of production is 2x plus 3. Number of articles produced is x, and the cost of production is 2x plus 3. Therefore the total cost of production will be this number of articles into cost of production. So that means x into this is equal to the total cost of production. So how I can write is like x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. Just guys, try to understand this part. Here we have considered the total number of particles produced in that particular day is equal to x. So this is a quantity, this is the number of items produced in that particular day, and here they have given the total cost of production. So they have given the total cost of production is 90. For example, if 3 articles are produced in a day and the price of per article is rupees 2, then we will get rupees 6 as the so that means what happened here? This is number of articles, this is number of articles, this is price per article, and this is total cost of production. So this is what we are going to do the same way. So this is the number of article is x, and per article price is 2x plus 3, and the total cost of production or the total price is 90. This is just an example, and that is what we are doing here. Now let us solve this question. So 2x into x is 2x to the power 2 plus 3x is equal to 90, or I can write 2x to the power 2 plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation that we found after solving this particular equation. So once we solve this particular equation, then we can find the number of particles produced and the cost of each article. Okay. Now let's see how to solve this quadratic equation. So now guys, we got the quadratic equation as 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now let's see what we can do here. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 90. So let me write it down here. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 90. And if I consider AC, I am getting AC is equal to minus 180. So we need to find out two numbers whose product we will get minus 180 and whose sum we will get is 3. So let's see what could be those two numbers. Now here we got minus 180. If I take minus 180, or if I take the prime factors of 80, then I can write 2 90s are 80, and then I can write 2 45s are 90, and then 3 15s are 45, and then I can say 3 5s are 15. So these are the prime factors of 180. 5 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 into 5 is nothing but 180. Now let's see what we can, what are the two figures that we can consider. Okay, now let us take this as one part and this as one part. 3 to the 6 to the 12 and 5 3s are 15. So guys, if you could easily see that we are getting 12 and 15, but we require 3. That means if I take 15 minus 12, then we will get 3, and 15 into 12 minus 12 is equal to minus 180. So that means we are able to extract, or we are able to get two numbers whose value now these two numbers are minus 12x and plus 15x. So let us put this rewrite this equation like this. So 2, I can write 2x to the power 2 plus I can write 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. Hope guys till here it is pretty clear. Now here taking x as common, I can write 2x plus 15, and similarly I can write 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, and here we require minus 12x, so that means I should take minus 6. So minus 6 into 2x is minus 12x, minus 6 into 15 is minus 90. That means the two factors that we are able to get are x minus 6 and 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Or we can say x minus 6 is equal to 0 one part, and the other part is 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Or I can say x is equal to 6, just moving minus 6 to the right side. And here we can say 2x is equal to minus 15, or I can say x is equal to minus 15 by 2. Now guys, we are able to find out the two values of x. One value as x is equal to 6 and the other value as x is equal to minus 15 by 2. But here this is a manufacturing unit and some articles are produced in a particular day. That means x value cannot be negative, because we know that some articles were produced in that particular day. So for that reason we will consider x is equal to 6 and we will just omit this one, x is equal to minus 15 by 2, because we cannot take x as negative, because no articles were produced. It will not happen, because the question says that some articles were produced in that particular day. That means x is equal to 6. So we can say number of articles produced in that particular day is equal to x, or I can say x is equal to 6. Now similarly, the question also wants to ask us to find out the cost of production. The cost of production here we got as 2x plus 3, or we can write the cost of production as 2x plus 3, or we can say 2 into 6 plus 3. So that is equal to 12 plus 3, that is equal to 15. So guys, we got the number of articles produced in that particular day is 6 and the cost of production is 15. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This question is little bit confusing, but we need to try to understand the question so that we can move in a positive way or in a positive direction. But guys, if you still have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.